Cattleya Cernua, commonly known as nodding Sophronitis, is a species of orchid occurring from Brazil to northeastern Argentina. It was the type species of the genus Sophronitis until the genus was made synonymous with Cattleya. 20 plants of Cattleya Cernua have received a total of 22 AOS awards. A miniature species with bright and cherry orange blooms and 1-inch pseudobulbs, this is the most warmth tolerant of the genus Sophronitis and considered the easiest grower. It grows both epiphytic and lithophyte. Tolerant of a wide range of temperatures, Cattleya Cernua loves bright sunlight and is able to tolerate direct morning and evening sun. However, in the hot summer noon, the orchid should be protected from direct sunlight. Put behind a curtain or in the shade of another plant. Otherwise, the plant could get sunburned. Mount the species on cork and give hot to warm temperatures, bright light, high humidity, and year-round water, with less and cooler weather. The species is found at sea level in Espírito Santo, south to São Paulo state on rocky slopes or trees, often so close to the sea that a slight salt spray can reach them. They can be found in seaside mangrove hammocks, and then as one goes inland on the plain to the coastal foothills, it can be found high above the canopy in lowland trees with full sun and constant breeze so as to keep them dry even though they are in rainforest conditions. Cattleya Cernua does not need any period of rest, neither for stimulation or flowering, nor in winter. Cattleya Cernua generally appears in nature attached to humid rocks on surfaces where sphagnum was previously formed under direct light.